So here it has been asked to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular and the length of the perpendicular drawn from this point to the line. So here the point has been given. The point is, suppose, which is P, which is 5, 4, 2, and the equation of the line is given. The equation of the line L1 is R vector equals to minus I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, then plus it is lambda times 2I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. So then we have to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular that is drawn on this line PM. So the coordinates of the point M that we have to find, and the length of the perpendicular also, PM length also we have to find. And we have to also find the image of the P on in this line. It means we also need to find the coordinates of the point P dash, which is the image of point P. So here P dash M, that is equal to PM. So it means M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of the image and the point P. It means it is the midpoint of P and P dash. So the point M lies on this straight line. So therefore, R vec for any given point on the straight line L1, R vector can be written as 2 lambda minus 1 I cap, and then 3 lambda plus 3 j cap, then plus it is 1 minus lambda k cap. So then R vector is this. So therefore, the coordinates of the point M is the coordinates of the point M is 2 lambda minus 1, comma 3 lambda plus 3, and 1 minus lambda. So then mm, then here we can see that the vector, so the straight line L1 is parallel to the vector B1, which is given as 2I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. So here the PM vector, that is perpendicular to B1 vector. So we can say that PM vector dot B1 vector, that should be equal to 0. So now PM vector, so therefore now PM vector, that should be equal to, that is 2 lambda minus 1 minus 5 I cap, then plus it is 3 lambda plus 3 minus 4 j cap, then plus it is 1 minus lambda minus 2 k cap. So this is 2 lambda minus 6 I cap and plus 3 lambda minus 1 k cap, means j cap, and this is plus minus 1 minus lambda k cap. So now PM vector dot B1, that should be equal to 0. So it means we can tell that is PM, so it is 2 lambda minus 6 into 2 plus this is 3 lambda minus 1 into 3, then plus minus 1 minus lambda into minus 1, that is equal to 0. So therefore we can tell it is 4 lambda minus 12 plus 9 lambda minus 3, then plus it is 1 plus lambda, that is equal to 0. So therefore we can tell it is 4 lambda plus 10 lambda, so it is 14 lambda, that is equal to 12 plus 3 minus 1. So this 14 lambda, that is equal to 14. So it means lambda equal to 1. So therefore the coordinates of the point M will be 2 lambda minus 1, so it is 1, 3 lambda plus 3, so it is 6, and 1 minus lambda 1 minus 1, so it is 0. So this is the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular M, and therefore now i- uh, if the image of the point P, which is P dash, its coordinates are x1, y1, z1, then therefore M is the midpoint of P and P dash. So we can tell that x1 plus 5 by 2, that will be equal to the point M is, we got it as 1, 6, 0. So it is x1 plus 5 by 2, that is equal to 1, and y1 plus 4 by 2, that is equal to 6, and z1 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 0. Then x1 will be equal to 2 minus 5, which is equal to minus 3, and y1 will be equal to 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8, and z1 will be equal to minus 2. So therefore the image point is minus 3 comma 8 comma minus 2, and then we have to find the length of the perpendicular. Therefore the length PM we have to find, so that is equal to mod of the vector PM. So that will be equal to that will be equal to square root of, this is, you got it, 1 minus 5 whole square, plus it is 6 minus 4 whole square, plus it is 0 minus 2 whole square. 0 minus 2 whole square. So this is equal to square root of 4 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So it is equal to square root of 16 plus 4 plus 4. So it is square root of 24. So it is 4, 6, 24. So it is 2 root 6 units. PM, mod PM is 2 root 6 units. And then we have to find, so we have found the image is this. And yeah, therefore the final answer, if so, therefore the final answer will be that the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular is 1, 6, 0, and the length of the perpendicular is 2 root 6 units, and the image is, minus 3 comma 8 comma 2, minus 3 comma 8 comma minus 2. So this is the final answer. Thank you.